Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to delete our t-shirt that we made on Roblox. So if you have created a t-shirt on Roblox and if you want to remove it, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So let's just get started. You can go over to the Roblox website. For that, head over to roblox.com in your browser and hit enter. And if you're not logged in, you can log in into your account. Once you are logged in, here you will be finding this particular interface on your screen. Now, what you may do is you may go to the Create page. Now, at the top of the page, you can look out for the Create tab here, this one right here, and click on it. And once you click on it, you will be headed to create.roblox.com here, where you will be seeing all of your creations like t-shirts, pants, decals, etc. So you can go over and look out for that. For that, from your home in Creator Hub, you can go over the Creations tab. And when you head over the Creation tab, here you will be finding your experience, your avatar, your development items, etc. So go to Avatar Items, and when you head over here, you will be finding Clothing Accessories. You can filter it out and select the option of T-shirt from the given options. And here you will be finding the avatar item that you have added. So from here, once you find your t-shirt item, for example, I'm just going to show you an example. So let's say this is your t-shirt. What you need to do is find the particular product and look out for the three dot or the gear icon next to it. Once you find it up, you just need to look out for the option of archive or delete from the drop-down. Once you confirm it up, you can confirm the deletion when asked, and that is it. The t-shirt will be removed from your creations. And once deleted, you cannot recover the t-shirt. You can always upload a new one later if you change your mind. So that is it, everybody. If you want to do so, you may head over and follow up these steps for that. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.